I like trains.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Well, if there's anything that goes well together in terms of rail fanning, it's the Bessemer Lake Erie Railroad and snow. And this video will feature both of those things. On March 18th, 2024, the Bessemer Lake Erie Railroad ran a misc run on the north end of the line to Girard and Conneaut. Unfortunately, I was unable to catch them on the Girard branch, or also known as the Erie branch, but I was able to at least catch up to this train in Conneaut, and that was a daylight shot. So I got this train in 4 different spots. The first one, as I mentioned, was in Conneaut, with the misc going northbound, hauling a few ballast cars and some ore cars. Now, in Conneaut, they ended up swapping out some power because originally 878, BLE 878, SD38-2, was leading northbound, and 862, the SD38 painted in the DMIR scheme, was facing south. But in Conneaut, 862 was dropped, and there's a loop track that they can run the locomotives around, run the train around, and that's exactly what they did. So, because of that, 878 then faced south, and with dropping 862 off in Conneaut, it was 878 solo the rest of the way. Now, I had to spread out my shots because the roads were not necessarily the best. I didn't know it was going to snow as hard as it did. I mean, it was only a few inches, but it's definitely enough to slip and slide on the road, and I don't want to do that, especially when chasing a train when you're trying to get to spots. So I had to spread out my shots. So I was fortunate enough to get 4 good ones, one in Conneaut. Then I got them going southbound through Albion, which is right where the Girard and Erie or the Erie and Conneaut branches split off. And then I got them in Conneautville and then at the classic spot in downtown Greenville. And there was pretty decent snowfall in all 4 of the shots. So should be a good catch, and that's all I have for the intro. So without further ado, here it is, and I hope you all enjoy this video and have a great day wherever you may be.